Good evening, student. Welcome to LKRR PCBS English School. Dear student, we already started chapter is matter around us. In this chapter, that is we already started a concept element. In element concept, actually the types of element we already two types element completed, that is the one it is called as the metal and the second one is called as the non-metal. Now again this element also classified into the third type, and that third type it is called as the semi-metal, or it is again called as the metalloids. This concept we have to study here. Definition simple: the element which behave like metal and non-metal. The element definition is simple. The element which behave like metal and non-metal. Those elements which having the both property. Both property means some properties of metal is there and some properties of non-metal is also there. Then it is called as the semi-metal, or it is again called as the metalloids. It is again called as what? Metalloids. Actually it is semiconductor also. For digital electronics, the semiconductor it is actually used for, it is actually pentavalent impurity, tetravalent impurity. For p-type semiconductor, for n-type semiconductor, this semi-metal actually used. Understand? So we know that some examples related to the semi-metal, like germanium. That germanium it is represented by the symbol G. Then silicon it is also used as a semi-metal. Then arsenic, we know that arsenic it is also used as a semi-metal. As, not Ar. Argon means the Ar. So again we know that tellurium it is also semi-metal, or selenium it is also semi-metal. These are the examples related to the semi-metal, and in this way we completed, that is the first one concept, that is the element concept. Understand? So this is the semi-metal. Now after studying about the semi-metal, now the second one type of pure substance, it is called as the compound, and that compound concept now we will study today. So actually number of times I already given difference between the molecules as well as the compound. That is the compound means what? Actually compound it is the pure substance, we know that. So a pure substance which is made of two or more elements chemically combined by definite proportion by mass. Definite proportion by mass. So this is the simple definition. A pure substance which is made of two or more elements chemically combined in a definite proportion by mass. So this is the simple definition. Means compound is also the type of the pure substance. Okay, and this pure substance it is made of two or more elements. Means when two or more element is combined by which method? By combined in definite proportion by mass. At this condition, that is the compound is formed. So many examples. I think you understand actually the definition of the compound. So we have in the number of example. Firstly, I will explain two examples. Then I will prepare one chart related to the compound. That is compound, their formula, and constituent element. That one chart I will prepare. So first one example, like the water, we know that H2O. H2O it is actually compound. Okay, because it is prepared by two or more element. Means if you observe here, two hydrogen atom is there. How much hydrogen atom is there? Two hydrogen atom is there and one oxygen atom is there. So its definite proportion by mass I will represent. Hydrogen, we know that hydrogen atomic mass 1, two hydrogen atom is there, means 2, and oxygen atomic mass is the 16. How much atomic mass of oxygen? 16, means 2s to 16, or it is also represented by using mathematical 1s to 8 is the definite proportion by mass of water. So again, another one example like the carbon dioxide, CO2. Carbon dioxide is the CO2, it is again compound. Why it is compound? Because it is actually carbon dioxide is also pure substance. It is actually prepared by two or more element by definite proportion of mass. So carbon atomic mass 12. There are the two oxygen atom in there. Two oxygen atom is it become 32. We can also represent it 6s to 16 or 3s to 8. So this is the simple. Both having the compound. Now we will preparing one table related to the compound. That is the compound, formula, and constituent element. Like the already we completed, that is the first formula. H2 means the water. Formula of water is the H2O. And if you observe in the water, that is the constituent element is the one is the hydrogen atom and second one is the oxygen atom. Hydrogen and oxygen are the constituent element. So we also having the second one example that already completed, carbon dioxide. Formula of carbon dioxide is the CO2, and this carbon dioxide constituent element is the one is the carbon and second one is the oxygen. So this is the second one. Now third one, we also having the different type of acid like hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid is again one of the compound, and in this hydrochloric acid its formula is the HCl, and constituent element one is the hydrogen and second one is the chlorine. Then we also having the hydrobromic acid. Its formula is the hydrobromic, means that it is also called as the hydrogen bromide, and its formula is the HBr. Constituent element one is the hydrogen and second one is the bromine. Then third one, like nitric acid. This nitric acid having the formula is HNO3. Means it is prepared from three elements. One is the hydrogen constituent element, second one is the nitrogen, and third one element name is the oxygen. So again we having the one example, sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid having the formula H2SO4, constituent element C, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. These are the three constituent elements. Then we also having the glucose. We know that formula of glucose is the C6H12O6 is the formula of the glucose. Means it contains three elements. One is the carbon, second one is the hydrogen, third one is the oxygen. Like so many examples we are having. Like next example, like the sugar. Its formula is the C12H22O11. Means three elements is there. One is the carbon, second one is the hydrogen, third one is the oxygen. Also having another example, ammonia. Its formula is the NH3. Means nitrogen, hydrogen. Again, so many examples, number of examples we have being related to the compound. So thank you.